vlog 4. 4, you guys. I cannot wait to do this vlog. I love these little crafty vlogs. And I'm so happy to be doing this journey with you. Me buying things for my small business. I'm going to be showing you things in this video, like my new printer I bought from Walmart. And then also I bought a laminator from Walmart. I'm going to show all that stuff that I bought. And I also bought a big old Cricut, the Cricut Expression 2. I probably should have got the Cricut Maker 3. I really should have got that. It was on sale a few months back, way back in the day, for like $169 at Hobby Lobby. I should have got that instead, but I still got the big machine over here. I'll show you what it looks like and everything. A lot of people already have the big Cricut already, so I thought to myself, you know, maybe I should get a big Cricut. I already got the Cricut Joy. I already did a video about that. I'm going to be using it today and tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to film it and see how it works. And also got the Munden printer. I did a video about that. I did not do a video how it works. I'm gonna do that pretty soon. So thank you guys for watching this video. I had so much fun talking to you. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's get this day of Crafty 4 vlog done. I cannot wait to do it. It's gonna be so much fun, you guys, talking to you about stuff. And before that, let's get some coffee or tea. Let's get something hydrated up in here. I just got me some water as well. So good morning to all of you. I hope you have a great day, great October, and I'll see you in the vlog. So be your own boss fun. Be your own boss fun. October the 15th. I'm having fun today, you guys. Just clean this room up. I don't have a studio like I should have. It's just a room, my bedroom, that looks like a hot mess right now. I'm trying to clean it up to make it organized so I can make it kind of like a halfway studio. So I'm down here drinking my tea because I love me some tea, you guys. Ooh, tea is hot. Ooh, that's hot, but I love hot tea. I cannot drink cold tea. Or iced tea. I can't do iced or cold tea. It's not like that. No, I just don't like it. I do like iced coffee though. So what we're gonna do today, like I said, I want to show you the things I've been buying for my small business and hope you're excited about that. So excuse me. Cricut that I bought, it's Cricut Expression 2, and also the other things I bought. I want to show you the things I bought from my craft room. These are really beautiful. I love these. They're like $5.99 in the store. They're Hello Kitty, well constructed, good, really good. And I bought them at the store a couple weeks ago, and I just love it so much. And I got an Apple Pencil. I never opened that Apple Pencil yet. I do have an Apple iPad. It's the 10th generation, and it's pink. And I wish it was red, but I didn't have that. So that's what happens when they don't have red. So I have this red container, which I love. I have all my crafty supplies for my craft business right in there, just the packaging and some fun packaging. I'm going to work on that video already today, and I already uploaded it. So fun. I edited it. It's great. And then over here, I got some supplies like here for my launch party, you guys. I'm going to do a launch party in this room if I can. The balloons. I bought these a while back. They're 10 polka dot balloons. I got this polka dot one. Then I got this polka dot because I love red. So I have some other balloons too over there, like 100 balloons that are just regular. But these are the ones you can really see through. Let's see, look at the back. I just dropped it. That's all right. But this is what they look like on the back. And they're from Walmart in the party section. So when I do my launch video, I'm going to do a party just for my small business because it'll be fun to do a launch party. Even if no one shows up, I'm going to do it no matter what. So that's what it looks like for right now. And then I have all this cute stuff. I was going to do some bead work here. These are the beads I bought from Walmart back in the day. I'm going to do some bead. I want to be a skilled jewelist, or you know what I'm saying? That's what I mean. I want to master the beads. These are really pretty. Look at these beads. You can't buy these anywhere, you guys. I bought these at Walmart back in the 90s. These are really pretty. I just love how they look. They're like shining. These are like really good quality beads that I bought. I just never used them. So these are really pretty. So I don't know if I'm going to make bracelets, necklace, or just keep in this little beautiful case. I don't know. These look wonderful. Look at these. I just love how they look. It's just pretty. And the sound. Look at the sound, you guys. You like sound? So really cute. And then also I have some more Hello Kitty right here. The little containers I'm using for my craft room. So I thought I'd just tell you a little bit what I'm going to be doing in this video to show you some things I'm going to make my craft room pop. I'm having a separate craft room from my office. I don't want it together, or my studio. I don't want it all together. So let's have a studio. Well, I have a vision for it, so you'll see. So, and then at the bottom right here, I'm going to show you what I got from Hobby Lobby back in the day. This is a cute little container right here that I got. Look at it. They're all mermaids. I bought it at Hobby Lobby for like $5 or $6. I got 2 of them. So I'll open this up and show you. Looks like this is so pretty. They're mermaids. Since I'm obsessed with mermaids, and I'm obsessed with mermaids for lots of reasons, but yay, I love mermaids. And this is a container. I want to open it up to show you what's in it. I have 2 of the same container. I thought they were cool. They're not even at Hobby Lobby anymore. I did a haul all about this. I had to wipe it down because it's dusty. I haven't opened it in a while. These are all my art supplies, my personal art supplies. This is what they have at Walmart. This got rusty for some reason. There's some cool drawing pencils in there. And then I have these really cool pencils that I bought from Dollar Tree back in the day. Back in the pandemic, I bought a lot of stuff. I had like a lot of money back in the day, and I misused the money, and now I'm looking stupid now. So now I'm trying to get my money back and start, open up my small business when I should have been doing it a long time ago. Dang, artist pencils. And then right here, during the pandemic, you guys, this is some colored lead for mechanical pencils. These are really cool from Dollar Tree. I've never used them yet. These are the brights. They have different colors, and it's an 8-pack. And I bought a lot of art supplies during the pandemic. I probably shouldn't have wasted all my money during the pandemic. Now I'm kind of like living up my savings, which is a big mistake to do when you don't have money coming in. So I decided to start my own small business again. I'm just having trouble right now, so I bought all this stuff in the pandemic. I love these. I bought these at Hobby Lobby, Aqua Pen. These are really cool. I love the little art on here, the beautiful blue art and the beautiful pins. You can buy these for like $5.99. Well, I bought them, those $5.99. Now they're probably like $7 or $8, $10 maybe. I don't know, but I just have fun buying a lot of art supplies that I didn't buy for a long time. So I love this drawing. It's a manga girl. I think this is a manga like drawing. It looks really great. And these are the other ones, the aqua pens, and they look great. And then also I bought these right here, Crafty. I think I'm saying it right. I didn't even know they had color pencils, but I bought these color pencils. If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below. But they used to do books and weekly readers and all that kind of cool stuff. It's an 80s thing. So then I had this. I'm doing a craft video with this right here for my small business, for my YouTube channel. But I can't wait to do that. I have a lot of things in here that I probably shouldn't have bought, but I did. But that's all right. I got some really cool pens right here. Zooms, I think they're called, but I don't even think they make those anymore. But these are really cool. These pens, they are gel, and they really work really well. I've used them once or twice. And then I have some really cool pens that smell really good, like strawberry, vanilla. And then I have this multicolor pen right here that's really cool. I love these pens. I bought this at Dollar Tree, actually. A lot of things about at Dollar Tree. This is about at Five Below, but... And then I want to show you this right here that I got. I know it's kind of off topic because I want to show you some things I bought from a small business, but these are all things I'm probably using in my business. But these are my personal stash, you guys, of stuff. And look at this. I got some more pens, fine liners. I love this stuff. So let's put it back in here gently. And I got erasers there. I bought a bunch of those for my pen. And there's a white eraser down there. I got a kneaded eraser as well. So I am having so much fun showing you everything. So let's put this all back in here neatly if I can. Yeah, let's do it neatly. And let's do it. Yeah, let's put it back the way we had it. So that's all the stuff I want to show you in this container. Let's move on to show you what I really want to show you in this beautiful studio vlog. I'll show you in this studio vlog, you guys. This is the Cricut Expression 2. I just bought this a few months ago. I bought 2 of them for me and my mom. This is what they had left. They're getting rid of these guys at Walmart for $169. I bought 2 of them for $169, and this is really cool. I have not opened the box out. I have not even tested it out, so I will be testing it out pretty soon. So this, I want to show you what I got. So I wish I would have got the Cricut Maker 3 or whatever, but this was on sale, so I got this one instead. I hope it works well. People complain about Cricut a lot, say they don't cut right, the lines don't get cut right, the kiss cut always gets messed up. So hopefully when I use this finally, it will be working great. So yay! So I wanted to show you that right there, what it looked like, and I want to show you some more things in this vlog. So look right here, you guys. Look what I bought myself. I've been wanting a laminator for a long time. I bought this for my small business, a letter size thermal laminator. It looks really great from Pen and Gear. I got it from Walmart. It was on sale for $14, so I think they were getting rid of it. So, and then at the bottom, I also bought me a DeskJet printer for my small business. I'm gonna show you this up and close and personal, you guys. So I hope you like this video. I just showed you earlier just these beautiful things I bought from Amazon. These are for my craft room. I'm not using it for my small business. Well, actually, I am. I take that back because I bought 3 of each. See, this is one set right here. One set you're looking at. This is one set. The second set and the third set's down there, and then this right here is another one. So cool, right? And I can't wait to show you everything. So let's get started on this beautiful crafty business journey. Box. This is really cool. This is what it looks like. I didn't open it up yet at all, if I can speak. But this is so much fun buying for your business, right, you guys? I love it. Being a business owner is going to be very hard and very expensive. All I bought so far is a lot of money, you guys. So this will be only, once I upgrade, like I said earlier, this will be in my craft room for my own personal use, because I'm going to upgrade to another one that's more better than this one. But I thought to myself, I want one so badly, so I bought one. The reason why I bought this because I want to laminate bookmarks, maybe some things I want to, dashboards for the people who do craft stuffing, kind of cool stuff like that. I love this. It looks great. And I did buy the paper, so I don't know what I did with the paper. I did buy the paper that goes along with this, and it wasn't that bad price actually. So yay for me buying this. So I had so much fun talking to you about this. I cannot wait to go more in depth about this. I'm gonna open it up and try it one day on camera, so you'll see. Let's show you my printer I bought from Walmart. You see right here, this is my printer. This is an all-in-one. This is the smallest all-in-one ever. Let's get this up here. Uh-oh. We got it. There we go. Woo! Look how cute this looks. So what do you think, you guys? This is the world's smallest all-in-one printer that I bought from Walmart, and I thought it was wonderful to buy this because I bought two of them. One for me, one for my mom. I bought it especially for my small business. I got two printers, you guys. I bought one from HSN, and I will show you that in another video. But I got this one because it's the smallest all-in-one. I've never even heard of us. I know I've heard of all-in-ones, but I've never heard of the smallest all-in-one. So I got this at Walmart for about, ooh, it's got to be $35, $45, $49. It wasn't over $100. I know that, but I've never used it. It says for essential for home printing. DeskJet 3772. That's what it looks like. I opened it up twice to see what it looks like, see if everything was in there. It's great. I've never used it yet, so I can't wait to use this for my small business. And this, let's turn the light off. So this is what it looks like right here at a glance. It functions to print. It print, scan, and copy things so you can use your cell phone or whatever. Just print from your cell phone, laptop, or tablet. And this is the size. It's a half size with all the features. And then it's Insta Ink. I've never even heard of Insta Ink. It's never run out and save up to 50% with Insta Ink. So it has 6 months right here, trial included. Insta Ink, so I guess that's free for the first 6 months. And this is what it looks like, you guys, the box. This is just a good way to get your business started. So I love this so much. And on the back over here, it's just some more functions on here. This is what it looks like right here. All the stuff you can use with, all the old software that you can use with. I don't recommend this one. This was an issue back in the day. Windows Vista, that sucks. And so is Windows X, whatever that is. I wouldn't use those, even though you can use it with that, but I don't have that. I have Windows 10 right here. I have Windows 10 or 11 on my computer, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I did have Windows 8 for a minute, and then now I got Windows 10, so it's going to work on that. So great. I cannot wait to use this on my for my small business to print things out, like, you know, like invoices you can print out, or you can just print out beautiful, wonderful things like artwork. So I cannot wait to use this. So hopefully I'm going to upgrade this again, as I said before, with my Laminator. I'm going to upgrade this up a little more too. I do have an upgraded printer back over there in the corner, but I'm not going to show you that yet, like I said. So I thought I'd just show you this right here. This is so much fun, showing you what I'm going to be using or how I'm going to get the small business to pop. So thanks for watching this video, you guys. I really appreciate it. And I'm having fun showing you all things I bought for my small business. I mean, I didn't show everything, but that's another vlog at another time. But let's have fun creating our own small business, our own craft business. Hopefully you're here for the journey. So yay. I'll talk to you guys later. So I just found the laminating pouches. I'm so excited. I found these are 50 count letter size for pinning gear. It's a Walmart brand. You can buy this at Walmart. The only place I think you can buy this product at is at Walmart. I bought the laminator for 14 bucks. I guess it was on sale. They're getting rid of it. I don't know. I got the laminated sheets for about $5, $6. I think it's a little pricey for 50 sheets, but we're going to work on this. We're going to make some beautiful bookmarks. You guys, I love bookmarks. They're a big commodity in small business. A lot of small businesses make bookmarks and laminate them. I see a lot of YouTubers do that. And also I want to make some really cool artwork for the community called the cash stuffing community. They love really cool dashboards. I want to make some cool ones, like little artwork on it. It'll be fun. And I'm going to have fun using this machine until I upgrade to the one I really want. When I should have bought, like I said before in the video, I was supposed to buy HP one. I can't believe it. Yeah, HP one at Sam's Club for $69, and I had it in my cart 3 or 4 times, and I said, nah, do I want this? I want this. Never do that, you guys. Especially if you have the money, go ahead and buy it. It's going to be worth it in the long run. But this is a good product. I'm going to use this. It's going to be fun. This is just my beginner stage of my business. I want to upscale my business. It's going to be fun. I cannot wait to use this and make some cool things for you guys. I'm having fun starting this small business. I should have started this business a long time ago, but I'm having fun buying all the supplies. So this is one thing I wanted to show you in this vlog. Some laminating sheets and a laminator. That's what's going to help me out. So hope you get encouraged by this. Don't forget to click down there, have fun creating your own small business, and make some cool things. I love art. Watching all these crafty studio vlogs I've been doing. This is only day 4 or studio vlog 4. I want to call it studio vlog 4. I hope you enjoy these videos. I'm having so much fun starting on my journey for small business ownership, and I gotta work on a lot of things, you guys. So hopefully you guys like these videos. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. And I like my little whimsical glasses I got from $5. Look at how cute they look, you guys. The pink. I have some red ones too, and I have a purple heart one too. Me and hearts. I just love hearts so much, and I just love how it looks on my face. So I'm working on things to make this business pop. I will be working on future things. Will be stickers, try to master that Cricut, because people complain about Cricut all the time. It doesn't cut right, or whatever. I should have got a silhouette. You know, I don't know about people's issues. I've never owned a Cricut until now, and I'm so glad I got a Cricut Joy, and I got a Cricut Expression too. I'm going to use those, and I'm going to make my own stickers, and then you know, recently. Then I'm going to be doing an outsource of my stickers, just in case I don't like what I'm doing. But I'm not doing that right now. That costs money. So I'm making my own stickers. I'm making my own thank you cards. I'm making my own business cards. I don't care. I think I do it myself. I can do as much as good as they can. I got a printer. I can do it. So hope you like this video. I hope you had fun watching my day 4 of a crafty vlog. I don't have a craft room. I don't have a craft room at all, you guys. And I don't have a studio at all. So this is my bedroom in here. All my craft supplies. I've been doing all my YouTube videos here for years and years and years. And I need to upgrade some things on this channel. Also upgrade my life. So this small business venture is going to help me out. I hope you guys buy all the things I'm going to be selling. Stickers, washi tape, charm, little things, necklaces, bracelets, whatever I'm going to sell. I hope you like it. So thank you so much. Have a great day, you guys. And I'll talk to you in my next crafty studio vlog. Keep crafting no matter what, right?